the white eagle, and I salute you. I tell you that the time has come, and you will rise. You will fly higher than ever, and no crows or bugs can seize your power. You are going so high, almost touching atmosphere, and you will fly faster than ever, and you will be blessed more than ever before. Now you understand how wonderful you are and how beautiful your existence is. And I say, breathe, relax, and live. If you ever wanted to see how wonderful things I see from up above, as an eagle, white eagle of purity, of cleanliness, of joy, of power, of goodwill. Let me say that again. Of goodwill. And I protect those who need me, and I appear in their dreams as a white eagle, and I strengthen their faith, their conviction in themselves, to believe in themselves, their mystical powers, their music, their inner voice, which is heard in prayers. And I, as white eagle, I open my wings and I can fly. I can fly, and the wind takes me further, faster, softer to areas of the sky which you have not seen yet, in palaces or clouds, where I see thunder, I see rain, I see snow fall to your kingdom, to your city, to your valley, to your mountain. And I, as the eagle, I open my wings and I can fly. I spread my wings and I am truly honored to spread my wings and say to you, you also have wings. Your spirit, your soul, your willpower, your dreams have wings, and you spread them and you can fly. You rise above the challenges of this mundane earth, and you rise and you increase your strength, your fortress, your love, your light, your wonderful goodwill, your wonderful power, your conviction. It just increases, expands. And when I open my wings, I can see our fellow eagles also spreading their wings and going into the beautiful White House. And the White House, we applaud the liberty, we applaud love for our nation, we applaud liberty, we applaud